Generally plants are autotrophs. They can prepare food material themselves. So in plants, they contain leaves. The leaves are green color because they contain chlorophyll pigment. So when you see the plant cell structure, in this plant cell structure, the outer layer of the plant body is called cell wall. The outer layer of the plant body is called cell wall. Cell wall, it gives definite shape of the plant body. It is a rigid structure. So the cell wall is made up of cellulose, and inside the cell wall they contain cell membrane. Inside the cell wall contain cell membrane. This cell membrane made up of phospholipids. It is a bilayer. Next, when you see inside the plant cell, the fluid part inside the plant cell is called cytoplasm. Next, inside the cytoplasm, we can see different types of cell organelles are present. So in these cell organelles, main nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, chloroplast. All cell organelles are present inside the plant cell. So in this plant cell, the important cell organelle is called nucleus. It is called nucleus. So this nucleus, in 1831, the nucleus was discovered by the famous scientist Robert Brown. So when you see the nucleus contains different parts like nuclear membrane, nucleolus, nucleoplasm, and chromatin materials. So when see inside the nucleus, there is a small thread-like structures. Those thread-like structures called chromatin materials. During cell division, all these chromatin material undergoes condense to form chromosomes. And after that, when you see in the plant cell, we can see a very large part. This part is called vacuole. So in this vacuole, it is surrounded by layer. The vacuole card is surrounded by layer. This layer is called tonoplast. The vacuole surrounded by layer is called tonoplast. In this tonoplast, they contain fluid. The fluid is called cell sap. And after that, in the plant cell, we can see the green color cell organelles. The green color cell organelle is called chloroplast. So this chloroplast main function to prepare the food material with help of photosynthesis. And in the plant cell, you can see there is another cell organelle. This cell organelle is called mitochondria. So the mitochondria, it is also called powerhouse of the cell. So the mitochondria helps to gives energy. That energy gives in the form of ATP. So that's why mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. Next, in this, the nucleus is surrounded by specialized structure that is called endoplasmic reticulum. So this endoplasmic reticulum, it is commonly called cytoskeleton of the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum, it can be divided into mainly two types, RER and SER. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum and SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the ER again divided into two types. One, RER, SER. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum, SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the main function of RER. So when you see the in slide, the RER attached to small structures. The blue color structures is called ribosomes. Those are called ribosomes. So the main function of ribosomes are involved in protein synthesis. So the RER, it contains ribosomes. That's why the RER main function protein synthesis. And the SER in that region. So these are called SER. In the SER, ribosomes are cannot attach. So the main function of SCR, lipid synthesis. Lipid synthesis. So different cell organelles are present inside the plant cell. Next,